County in central Texas, Dallas County in north central Texas, southern Dallas County in north central Texas, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Mansfield to near Grandview, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Arlington, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, Mansfield, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Duncanville, Lancaster, Waxahachie, Bulk Springs, Ennis, Midlothian, Seagoville, Glen Heights, Red Oak, Kennedale, Hutchins, Alvarado, and Rendon. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 10 and 26. Interstate 35E between mile markers 385 and 419. Interstate 20 between mile markers 462 and 478, in between mile markers 483 and 485. Interstate 45 between mile markers 244 and 277. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Ooh.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
Oh my freaking God!
Spot a tornado, go at once into a small central room in a sturdy structure.